Blow a nigga ass off, bitch, that's just how I react. I'ma be a nigga all about my